Lemko Language, Lesson 16, Future Tense of Verbs. Lemkijski język, 16 lekcja, budući čas časosliu. The future tense of the verb to be, bути. Now we will learn the conjugation of the future tense of the verb to be, bути. Budu, budu, means I will be. Budeš, budeš, means you singular will be. Bude, bude, means he, she, or it will be. Budeme, budeme, means we will be. Budete, budete, means you plural or you formal will be. Budut, budut, means they will be. Forming the future tense with imperfective verbs. To form the future tense with imperfective verbs, the conjugated future tense of bути is needed. If the verb is performed by a singular noun, then add the past tense of the verb. If the verb is performed by a plural noun, then add the infinitive. Remember, even though jem, yes, sme, and ste are used in the past tense, they are not used in the future tense. Let's take a look at the example below. The imperfective verb brati means to take. Ja budu brał, or ja budu brala, means I will take. Ty budeš brał, ty budeš brala, means you singular will take. Він буде брав, means he will take. Ona bude brala, means she will take. Ono bude bralo, means it will take. Ми будeme брати, means we will take. Ви будете брати, means you plural will take. Ви будете брати, means you formal will take. Вони будуть брати, means they will take. Forming the future tense with perfective verbs. To form the future tense with perfective verbs, conjugate the verbs as if they were in the present. In the case that this might seem a bit odd, just remember that perfective verbs do not have a present tense. Let's take a look at the example below. The perfective verb взяти means to take. Я возьму, я возьму, means I will take. Ty возьмешь, ty возьмешь, means you singular will take. Він, она, оно возьме. Він, она, оно возьме, means he, she, or it will take. Ми возьмeme, ми возьмeme, means we will take. Ви возьмете, ви возьмете, means you plural will take. Ви возьмете, ви возьмете, means you formal will take. Вони возьмуть, вони возьмуть, means they will take. Example sentences. Człowiek буде czekał w pokoju. Człowiek буде czekał w pokoju. The man will be waiting in the room. Будемо сидіти на креслах. Будемо сидіти на креслах. We will be sitting on the chairs. Буду видів твій гірок в шафі. Буду видів твій гірок в шафі. I will see your jacket in the closet. Woda bude w mywarci. Woda bude w mywarci. The water will be in the bathroom sink. Mama zrychtujut večerju w kuchni. Mama zrychtujut večerju w kuchni. Mom will prepare dinner in the kitchen. Muryanka bude chodila na stoli. Muryanka bude chodila na stoli. An ant will be walking on the table. Ty budeš peči chlib w piecu. Ty budeš peči chlib w piecu. You will bake bread in the oven. This concludes Lesson 16. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.